Hi, welcome again to the new video for the mini Django blog tutorial series. And what we're going to do now, we are going to add the edit functionality. So we come here, we already know we can do these, we go to this page, we can create new blog posts, but we cannot edit them and neither delete them. So we have to start from on. So let's do the edit function. So that one, as I told, we are going to practice again with the view and the generics. So that one I want to do with the, it's going to be a little more work, but we are going to do with the view instead of the generics. Okay, so here we have to say blog we copy because it's going to be very similar to the create. So we create a class, blog class update view. We have to create a new one. So it's going to be post edit, and we're going also to create that, but later. Okay, so here it's going to be almost the same because we want to get some things from here. We want to get the self, the request, and we also want to get the primary key. The primary key, which is going to be basically the ID. It's instead because when we are going to retrieve a post, we want to retrieve a post based on its primary key, on its ID. So let's do this. So here we are going to retrieve a post that's going to be post.objects.get, and you're going to get the primary key. We want it to be equal to the primary key, and that's it. So this is the post that we are getting. So here we are retrieving the post, and now we have to display the form of that post. So here there is this we are going to let like this for now because I want to show you something later. And here we want to return the request, self template, it's good, form, and we also want to add one more thing. So want also to pass the post, which is going to be this one. Okay, so now that we have this, we have to create a post edit view, that post edit.html. Okay, so the post edit view, of course, we are going to copy this. Let's work. And we are going to copy from the post.new, and it's going to be here. Okay, so here instead of new post, we are going to name it edit post. And now method is going to be the post. Here it's all that stuff also. And it's going to be type submit value update. Okay, so second step, we have to add this to our URL. So it's going to be like we copy that one. Here we want this to be the blog update view. So we edit this blog update view, and it's going to be name. It's going to be post edit. Edit, and now this is going to be fun. So this is another way that we can do. So this is where we render dynamic information, but for example, so what that path will look like. So we want again a post, the third, but after, if you click here, edit, you are going to that edit post. But for example, if you don't display here anything, you have to add information. If you don't add information, it's going to give you an error. So let's go back, and there it is. We are in the edit post. So now let's do something that is very cool. So it's auto-populate that information with the information that we have in our database. So here you put like instance going to be equal to posts. And so what you want to say, you want to populate this form with the information that we already have here. So now if you do, like, for example, refresh, refuse to connect, okay, let's run the server again, and yeah, I think the problem was the server had to be resolved. Okay, and there we have the information here and here, and if you go for the instance one, we also have here. It's cool, this is very cool. We are updating the information according with the ONS that we have in our database. So now we have, as you can imagine, we have to create a post request so that we can update here in our body. So this is what we are going to do now. So you have to update this. Okay, and here it's the same thing. We can grab this and not deleting, grabbing this, and we are going to look for the post in our database with the PQI. And here we do the same thing. We are going to say that it's going to be the information, it's going to be request.post, and we don't want to link with that instance. And now if form is valid, we save, and we redirect to the home page, and here, yeah, we can let how it was, we can let to this home page if there is an error, right? Okay, so okay, let's do again. We are in the post one, some experience edited. So if we click update, as you can see, okay, this was edited successfully. Okay, this was edited, so let's do the same here in the post tree, and RM stuff edited. So we update the body, and the body was deleted successfully. Okay, so that's it. So this is how we update information in our model. As you saw, it's very easy. It's almost the same thing. You can already see like some similarities between the create and the update. We just have to adjust something. But now, okay, we have almost all the crude functionalities. We can create, we can view, we can update, but now it missed the last one, delete, and this is what we are going to look in the next video.